Vanakkam, welcome to Good Food. Here you can find vegetarian and vegan food recipes. In this video, we are going to see how to make garlic curry, Poondu kozhambu in Tamil. It's a traditional South Indian dish made with garlic, turmeric and tamarind. I got this recipe from my mother. Garlic is incredibly nutritious. Raw garlic contains calcium, copper, potassium, phosphorus, iron and vitamins as well. Turmeric is excellent natural antibiotic, antioxidant and reduces cancerous cells. Tamarind has got excellent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can protect against diseases such as heart disease, cancer and diabetes. May help you to lose body weight and reverse fatty liver disease. Because of these ingredients, this curry has got some medicinal benefits and reduce cold symptoms, improves your immune system. You can have this with rice or as a side for idli and dosa. Let's see the ingredients needed for this recipe. This can be served for 4 people.
2 garlics, 1 tomato, 10 small onions, small medium lemon size tamarind, 3 to 4 tablespoon gingery oil or sesame oil, 2 teaspoons salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon asafoetida powder, 3 tablespoon of sambar powder, 1 teaspoon jaggery, 2 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon urud dal, half teaspoon jeera, quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds.
Now let's see how to prepare this dish. First, peel the garlic and crush the garlic using molten pestle. Chop the tomatoes. And chop the onions if you have big onions. I got the small onions. I chopped them into half pieces. Extract the tamarind pulp or tamarind juice. For this curry, let's heat the oil first. We need to start with seasoning first. Wait for a few minutes so that the oil get heated. Now first we need to put the mustard seeds, then we can put the rest of the seasoning. We got the urud dal, cumin seeds and fenugreek, and put them and saute for a few minutes. Once the mustard seed gets popped, you can add the other seasoning. Now we can add the onion. Don't stir the onions continuously. You leave it in between so that it will get cooked properly. Saute the onion till it gets a golden brown. Then we can add the garlic. Crushed garlic, I got the crushed garlic, chopped tomato. Okay, I think now we can add the garlic, crushed garlic. Now saute for another 2 minutes. Keep stirring because the garlic might get stick to the bottom of the vessel. So once you add the garlic, it's better to keep stirring the stuff so that it won't get stick to the bottom of the pan. Then we're gonna add the chopped tomatoes. Saute for another 5 minutes. to add the tomato till the tomato get cooked properly and turn soft and mix with the masala. I think, yeah, I'm gonna add the tomatoes now. Don't keep stirring it continuously because we need to get this tomato cooked and turn it into soft and mix with the masala properly. You know, this food is very easy to cook. Any bachelor can cook this curry and they can have this with the steamed rice for lunch and then use the leftover for a side with the dosa in the night. I think it has changed to golden brown now. It's ready to add the chili powder, sambar powder, turmeric powder. Then I'm gonna add sambar powder. Mix it with the masala. You need to keep stirring, otherwise the powder, the sambar powder will get stick to the pan. Keep stirring it. Okay, now I'm adding the turmeric and the asafoetida. That's peruvian powder. I stir it. Now we can add our tamarind juice. Adding the salt and the jaggery. Mix it again. You know, we have added 250 ml of water to make the tamarind juice, so we need to add another 250 ml. We need to add another 250 ml now to the mix. So we're almost done. Leave it for another 10-15 minutes. You can close the lid of the pan and leave it for 10-15 minutes. We can check in between. It's almost more than 10 minutes, 10-12 minutes now. Let's see how it's coming up. Stir it a little bit. You can see the gravy is getting thicker now. You can get the aroma of the mix, so that the garlic and the tamarind mix smell, blended smell is coming. You can leave for another 5 minutes. Probably. I'm not going to close the lid now. We can leave it open probably for another 5 minutes. So 5 minutes has gone. Let's check the gravy now. Yeah, looks thick now. You can see. Now it's ready. You can switch off the flame. You're ready to serve. You can try this with the steamed rice. Now let's test the curry I have made. Garlic curry with the steamed rice. It goes very well with the steamed rice and the beetroot porridge. A beetroot shallow fry. You know, garlic turmeric and the tamarind will naturally increase your body temperature. To compensate or balance that, it's good to have a beetroot to reduce your body temperature, to balance your temperature. You don't have to add excess curry to the rice because it's a little bit hot. It's a bit up to your taste. If you like hot dish, you can add more gravy or curry. If you want a medium hot, just add a little. That's very excellent. You can taste the mix of chili, garlic, tamarind, tomato sauce mixed with aromatic style. Just very good.